Hello everyone, I am Himanshu DSC WebDeco Head. This is a donation app, my solution to the challenge. Coming to the sections, this is about section giving brief insight in the app. This is the NGO section showing NGOs within 20 km radius of your current location. One can filter out NGOs based on its area of action. If you want to see more details about any NGO, you can click on visit. On this page, you can see all the details of the NGO and the donation in which the NGO had. One can see the location by clicking on see in the Google Maps button. The head of NGO can also edit details by signing in and clicking edit button. The next section is the donation section. This donation section showing donation within 20 km radius of your current location. Here you can see some details of the donation including its status. You can see full details about the donation on clicking C button. And here as well you can filter out the donations based on their categories and their status. On clicking the C button, you see all the details about the given donation, and you can also see the NGO that has claimed it. Donor can also cancel donation if needed by clicking unique link sent on the phone number of the donor. The next section is the sign in section. In this section, the NGO can sign in using its registered phone number or email. The next section is the register section for the NGO. Here the NGO can register using the basic details about the NGO. On clicking register button, a verification link to verify email will be sent on the NGO's given email, and after successful verification, NGO will get an OTP on the provided mobile number for verification. And once the mobile number is verified, the NGO is successfully registered on the platform. Now the next section is the donate section. This is a donate section in which one can donate by adding details about the donation. On clicking donate button, you will get an OTP provided on the provided mobile number for confirmation. Registering a donation will automatically deliver a message and email notification to the NGO of respective area of action within 20 km of radius, and one who is interested can claim it to help in delivering and distribution. Then donor and NGO can contact for the further steps and communication through phone.